So, yogurt on my nose. We're all energy. Everything's energy. It's just all about protons and neutrons and electrons, but everything is energy. So how do you spin energy into a good zone when it's not going so good? Well, sometimes you have to wake people up. You have to say hello because they don't realize, they don't see or realize it. So you have hello, that kind of thing. A little bit of an exclamation point is allowed. But you have to know where you're directing them. If you don't have a direction yourself, it's really hard to direct people. So that's why I think of world peace as an idea, a form, so to speak, as the Greeks would say. And it gets my mind into a higher spot. I try to get there. I try to think, that we could do that. It's possible. I don't think it's probable, but it's possible. But I do think what is possible is if I build my schools, I think that we can turn different countries that are now not democracies. I think we can acclimate them to be democracies, and then we stand for a better chance of peace between nations. So it's a lot of communication, collaboration with people with great ideas, and a lot of creativity. You have to understand the people you're working with. You can't be judgmental because you don't know. You don't know what they're going through, or the environment that they live in may play a part. So it's a consideration of a sort that it could happen, that maybe in a generation or two, that our schools, the world preschool, could create countries of democracy. And I think it's going in that direction anyway, but there's a lot of warfare. And when you put money and energy into warfare, you're taking the positive energy and turning it negative. Because how can we change those situations to benefit the people rather than destruct the people? In other words, build structures and things like that. Put that money into positive action.